Okay, well, as we head on into the evening, yes, there is a very isolated chance of seeing maybe a shower or a thunderstorm, but it looks like better rain chances come in tomorrow. Today for your Labor Day wasn't bad at all. It's kind of like the unofficial end to the summer, right? Or the summer for a lot of us, especially with kids heading back to school tomorrow. But let's go ahead and take a look at our numbers from yesterday. You can see we topped off right around those middle 70s. 57 was our low, and both of those numbers actually a little above our average for this time of the year, which should be normally in the lower 70s and in the lower 50s for your lows. That record back in the year of 1999, 88 degrees for your high, and that record for your low back in the years of 1963 and 1997 had a cool 34 degrees. Let's call that cold, right? Let's go ahead and take a look at today's highs because they were a little warmer out there. 79 in Marquette, 80 showing up in Munising, Manistee, and in Iron Mountain, while sitting more into the upper 70s in Ontonagon and in Houghton. And our winds right now coming in from the south and the southwest, a bit breezy out there still for us, but we are expecting throughout the remainder of the night these winds to fall between maybe 5 to 10, so not quite as breezy, maybe a bit up there around tomorrow, around 10 to 15 heading into the afternoon before eventually becoming light by tomorrow night. But with this south-southwesterly wind, that is going to help to keep in more of that milder air mass. Overnight temperatures only expected in those low to mid 70s, and also a lot of mugginess. Well, on into the night, yes, it will be cloudy and muggy for us. Now tomorrow, we'll have to watch out more for the rain with the showers and storms making their way through here. Periods of heavier rain at times. It will be another warm one for us with highs in the 80s, and well, it looks like we do stay wet for a while. Rain chances not only in place for tomorrow, but we'll keep them in place for tomorrow night, heading on into Wednesday, and maybe even a few lingering light showers heading on into Thursday, sorry. But here's a look at the setup right now. You can see showers and storms making their way in from the west, and they will make their way in by sometime tomorrow. At least this line will as we get on into tomorrow afternoon. And you can see where the severe activity is. By the time it reaches us, we won't have to worry about that. More of your garden variety thunderstorms making their way across the Great Lakes. And this will sweep its way south and eastward, but guess what? More waves of rain will come in from the southwest as we head on into Wednesday and Thursday. And after all this starts to move its way towards the south and to the east, cool air will arrive for us, and we'll start to feel that cool air, especially earlier on for us here into the UP, as you can see the jet stream closer to us by Wednesday. So it won't be quite as warm or humid as we get on into Wednesday, but definitely feeling it for tonight and also tomorrow. Your futurecast model for tonight should be relatively quiet. Now here come the showers and storms as we go on into the day tomorrow, expecting them to come through from time to time. Tomorrow night more the same, and even on into Wednesday with some periods of heavier rainfall moving through the area, and that is when things should start to cool down for us, but even more rain chances will be on the backside. So not really going to get away with not needing those umbrellas over the next few days, but also we do start to cool off, so that's a plus for us if there is anything. Tonight, we'll dip down into the lower 70s, warm and sticky with winds out of the south-southwest between 5 to 10. Rainy and warm, and those winds will be up there between 10 to 15. Now, high temperatures around the mid to upper 70s farther north and west, but elsewhere, they're going to be in the 80s. 83 in Crystal Falls, and seeing more of those lower 80s in place in Escanaba and Manistee. Munising topping off at 83. Marquette will top off right at the 80-degree mark after seeing numbers start off right around those 60s and lower 70s tomorrow morning. Rain chances throughout the day. Tomorrow night, dipping down more into the 60s as we head on into overnight hours. Sunrise tomorrow morning at 7:17 a.m. And your forecast over the next 7 days, well, it will include a lot of rain. 80 on Tuesday, and expecting more of the cooler numbers to be in place by Wednesday as we'll top off at 66. 71 on Thursday, but all three of those days do include a chance of rain for us. Best chances will be on Tuesday and Wednesday. Friday, we eventually do get a break with high temperatures reaching the lower 70s, so that should be a comfortable day for us there. But after that, another system arriving as we head on into the beginning of the weekend, topping off at 64. Showers and thunderstorms expected on Saturday. Hopefully we can get that all out on Saturday, so conditions will be a little better heading into the latter half of our weekend on Sunday, and we can at least salvage one of those days on the weekend. But either way, a lot of rain ahead of us over the next few days. You'll need those umbrellas and rain jackets for sure. And yes, for the kids tomorrow, they're going to need their rain jackets or maybe even the boots heading out to the bus stop.